welcome to a new video from my Christmas series. In this one, I wanted to show you the process of this Christmas illustration I made, while I also take the opportunity to thank you and chat a little about the year that passed and the one to come. In the past few weeks, work has been quite slow on my end, and it's given me the opportunity and the time to draw a lot again, simply for fun. Something that doesn't happen often, I think, for artists these days. Art is always for social media, for your portfolio, for your future product, for your shop. I personally had fully disconnected from the part of me that drew only to express myself. So I sat down and drew this little scene with a young boy anxiously waiting to give his grandma a present on Christmas Day. I will write down on the screen the things that I'm doing, but if you'd like a more detailed breakdown of my process, here's another video I made showing the step-by-step of it. The first thing I wanted to say is a huge thank you to everyone who has been watching my videos in the past few months. I decided to take YouTube seriously around September, and I have been posting regularly since then. It's been a very long time since I've stuck with something so consistently, and a large part of it is because of you guys watching and giving me the loveliest comments and encouragement. It might seem silly with the numbers of subscribers I have, but I truly appreciate every single one of you. These past few months have shown me that I absolutely love creating videos, and I will keep doing it twice a month for the entirety of next year as well. I will delve into the specifics of goal planning and New Year's resolutions in my last video of the year, but one of the biggest goals I have for next year is to publish my graphic novel. I had quite a lot of progress this year, and I'm so excited to share more of it with you. I have been experimenting with different topics to see what resonates with people the most, but I would love to hear from you. What type of videos do you love watching the most? Informative and full of tips? More relaxed, day in the life kind of videos, or sit down, draw with me videos like this one. Coming back to the illustration, I cut a lot of the footage of the process of this drawing because I didn't realize how much I turn and zoom out of my canvas when I paint. So most of the footage would probably give you whiplash, but as you can see, it's a lot of trial and error until I figured out exactly what I wanted. And even then, after a short break, I decided to change the color palette of the boy completely. But despite all the changes, I enjoyed making this piece, and I hope you found it fun to watch as well. I hope you're having a safe and relaxed December and are enjoying the holidays, whatever you're celebrating. My last video will be out next Monday on the 30th of December. But until then, Merry Christmas from me and have a lovely time this week. Thank you for watching. See you next time.